one most important problem. Exercise 3A, second bit, seventh problem. The angle made by a straight line with the positive x-axis in the positive direction and the y-intercept cut off it by it are given below. Find the equation of the straight line. First one is 60 degrees, comma 3. Second one is 150 degrees, comma 2. Third one is 45 degrees, comma minus 2. Fourth one is tan inverse of 2 by 3, comma 3. Here given that a straight line makes an angle theta with a positive x-axis and y-intercept are given below. A line makes an angle with a positive x-axis and y-intercept are given below. Here find the equations of the straight lines. Here totally 4 problems are there. Totally 4 problems. First one is 60 degrees, comma 3. 60 degrees, comma 3. 60 degrees means here theta is equal to 60 degrees. 3 means y-intercept C is equal to 3. This is the line. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. This is the suppose line. A line makes an angle 60 degrees with a positive x-axis and y-intercept is 3. This is the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept is 3. Here first of all find the slope of the line. Here slope m is equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan theta means tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees means root 3. Here slope of the line is equal to root 3 and the second one y-intercept. Y-intercept C is equal to 3. Given that y-intercept is equal to 3. Here equation of the straight line slope intercept form. Equation of the straight line. Equation of the straight line having slope m and y-intercept C is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to m root 3x plus c 3. Taking y right side, root 3x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, root 3x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 is the equation of the straight line. Make an angle 60 degrees with the positive x-axis and y-intercept 3 is. Second one. The second one, here angle theta is equal to 150 degrees. Y-intercept C is equal to 2. Here first of all find the slope. Slope m is equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan theta means tan 150 degrees. Tan 150 degrees is equal to 90 plus 60. Tan 90 plus 60 minus cot 60. Cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. Cot 60 is equal to 1 by root 3. Here equation of the straight line, equation of the straight line having slope m and y-intercept C is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to m minus 1 by root 3x plus c 2. Y is equal to, here taking root 3 LCM, minus 1 into x minus x plus root 3 into 2, 2 root 3, taking root 3 left side, root 3y is equal to minus x plus 2 root 3, taking minus x plus 2 root 3 left side, root 3y plus x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Right order, x plus root 3y minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, equation of the straight line is x plus root 3y minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This is the second problem. A line makes an angle 150 degrees with the positive x-axis and y-intercept 2 is x plus root 3y minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Next one, third one is theta is equal to 45 degrees, y-intercept C is equal to minus 2. Y-intercept C is equal to minus 2. Here find the slope of the line. Slope m is equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan theta means 45 degrees. M is equal to tan 45 degrees 1. Tan 45 degrees 1. Here equation of the straight line having slope m and y-intercept C is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c means y is equal to m 1x plus c is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 1 into x minus 2. Taking y right side, x minus 2 minus y is equal to 0. X minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, equation of the straight line is x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, fourth one, angle theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3 and y-intercept C is equal to 3. Y-intercept C equal to 3. Here theta is equal to tan inverse 2 by 3. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. Taking tan left side. So, tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Or applying tan on both sides. Tan theta is equal to tan of tan inverse of 2 by 3. Tan of tan inverse of 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 or tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. Here, first of all, find slope. Slope m is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 2 by 3. This is the slope of the line. Equation of the straight line, equation of the straight line having slope m and y-intercept c is y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to m. M is equal to 2 by 3x plus c is equal to 3. Here taking LCM, 3 is the LCM, 2x plus 3, 3 is 9. Taking 3 left side, 3y is equal to 2x plus 9. Taking 3y right side, 2x plus y minus 3y is equal to 0. So 2x minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation of the straight line is 2x minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the process. Here already given that y-intercept to c and making an angle with the positive x-axis. First of all, here find the slope of the line. Slope m is equal to tan theta. Substitute angle value, find the slope and find the equation of the straight line having slope m and y-intercept to c is y is equal to mx plus c is the formula. This is the process for finding the equation of the straight line given that slope and y-intercept.